Have you been captivated by promises of easy money through dropshipping? You're not alone. When lockdown began, I sought alternative income sources to escape financial stress. I stumbled upon dropshipping, touted as a quick path to wealth on social media. Dropshipping sounds simple. Sell items without handling stock. You buy cheap goods and sell them online for profit. Successful dropshippers flaunt their riches, igniting hope for those of us struggling financially. But is it really that easy? I launched Doze, a sleep mask brand, confident after watching countless YouTube videos. I sourced a product and set up my Shopify store. Creating online branding might seem easy, but it's more complex than it looks. I faced challenges when advertising. Influencers weren't an option, so I opted for Facebook ads. This led to frustrations and setbacks. Each step revealed new obstacles and my lack of expertise in marketing. My ads garnered no sales, reinforcing how dropshipping requires more than just pressing buttons. After seeking advice from a successful entrepreneur, I pivoted to selling a Galaxy light projector. Yet, despite tweaking my approach, I continued to see minimal engagement or sales. Dropshipping can quickly turn into a nightmare, filled with excessive complexity and stress. I spent close to £200 without any return. Many claim success in this realm, but countless others fail. As revealed by other aspiring dropshippers, this isn't a simple career path. It demands extensive marketing knowledge and unique products. In conclusion, dropshipping isn't a guaranteed road to riches. For many, it's a facade. Instead, consider exploring other side hustles that align more with your capabilities. Do your research and proceed with caution. If you've found this insight helpful, consider subscribing for more content. Don't let dropshipping dupe you. Choose a smarter route to financial stability today.